Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Lunchbox. Today we are going to make a unique recipe called cloud bread. This recipe requires only 4 ingredients. The bread turns out nice and fluffy and delicious and moist, and it's very easy to make. So let's go ahead and make some cloud bread. To make the cloud bread, we're going to use egg whites from 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and you can use any flavoring of your choice. We just need 1 drop of it. I'm using vanilla over here, but you can use any other flavoring of your choice, or you could even use some form of food coloring. So let's go ahead and get started. We will begin by taking the egg whites in a large mixing bowl, and we're going to beat the eggs until they are a bit frothy. Once the egg whites are a bit frothy, to this we're going to add half of our sugar and half of the cornstarch. And we're going to go ahead and continue beating. After the egg whites turn a bit more frothy, we're going to go ahead and add the leftover sugar, the cornstarch, and last but not the least, a drop of your food coloring or your flavoring. And now we're going to continue beating the egg mixture until it forms stiff peaks. Once the stiff peaks are formed, we're going to go ahead and transfer this mixture into a baking dish lined with butter paper. Now we're just going to go ahead and spread it around so it kind of lies flat along the area of the baking dish. Once you get it nicely laid in the baking dish, we're going to go ahead and bake our cloud bread in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. We've placed our cloud bread in the oven. My oven has been preheating at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to come back and check on it in about 25 to 30 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes, so let's take a look at our cloud bread. Looks like it's already done, so let's take it out of the oven. Our moist and fluffy cloud bread is now ready to be enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this cloud bread recipe. Do try it out and let me know your feedbacks in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.